What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and today I want to make a quick video and talk about the 3 metrics of an affiliate marketing campaign. Because I get a lot of questions about this and it is quite simple actually. So the main 3 metrics, I'm going to tell you what they are and how they work. Obviously we have the CPC, also known as cost per click, and we have the EPC, known as earnings per click. Then we have the overall formula, which takes into consideration the ROI, which is the only thing I care about in the end. Why? I will explain that in a bit. So let's just move to point 1, the cost per click. Meaning in the paid traffic campaigns is that what I focus on my YouTube channel. It's very important that the cost per click is low so we can get a lot of traffic, the most amount of traffic for our money. Taken into consideration bidding, audiences, overlap, interest targeting, etc., etc., etc. The click-through rate on Facebook especially will determine the cost per click. There is the CPM, the cost per 1,000 impressions. The higher the click-through rate, the more relevant your ad is to the audience, which will lower the CPC, and overall the percentage-wise bidding structure will also lower the CPC. In that scenario, the person, the user, the prospect clicks, gets taken to a bridge page in affiliate marketing. So it's not one of the 3 primary metrics, but it is something to take into consideration because not everybody is going to click through the bridge page. So the formula that we end up using is going to look a little bit different than these 3 metrics, but I will tell you how it looks anyway. So people click through the lander, some don't. You have a percentage. Usually with Facebook, it's around 45% of the people in the topics I discuss on my channel, which click through the landing page, the bridge page. Then as soon as they do, they either go back to Facebook if they don't, but if they do, they land on the offer page. On the offer page, you have the offer conversion rate. How many people are going to opt in or how many people are going to buy if it's like a straight sale. In my scenario, that would be a conversion rate on the opt-in because I mainly focus on lead generation. In that sense, the conversion rate is a very important metric. Do we need it for the formula? No. Does it influence the earnings per click? Yes. Let's say an offer pays out $1. If the conversion rate is 50%, you get earnings per click 50 cents. If it's 10%, then you get 10 cents. Therefore, the conversion rate is very important and you should keep your eye on it. So far we have the cost per click, landing page click-through rate, CTR on the ad, CPM. So basically the first 3, CPC, CTR, CPM, are very important on the ad level. On the bridge page you have landing page CTR, and on the offer page you have conversion rate and earnings per click. To calculate them all together, you would basically do cost per click, landing page click-through rate percentage, and the earnings per click in one formula, and you get the ROI. If the ROI is positive, it means you're making money because the return on investment is greater than 1. If it's a negative ROI, it means you're losing money. In that sense, the cost per click times the drop-off percentage would outweigh in a positive number, the earnings per click. And when the earnings per click goes under the overall cost per click, then the relative campaign is losing you money. Meaning the average cost might be, let's say, 10 cents. The landing page click-through rate is 50%, means the half drop off. So the cost per click is not 10 to get to the offer, it's 20 because half of the people go back. So 1 click to the offer means 20 cents on the front end. If the earnings per click, let's say the offer pays at $1 and it's 15% conversion rate, which is relatively high, then you make 15 cents. Still, it is not profitable. See, 20 cents on the front end, 15 cents on the back end. So minus 25% ROI. What are you going to do? You're either going to increase the landing page click-through rate or decrease the cost per click. It is very difficult to increase the landing page CTR, landing page conversion rate mostly, because we do not control the offer page. All you can do is change the questions on the bridge page to make it a better pre-frame. However, I want you to focus on these three metrics. Cost per click, influenced by the CTR, which makes the CPM, which makes the CPC. Earnings per click, which is influenced by the landing page click-through rate amount and the conversion rate, and the total ROI of a campaign, obviously, because we need to know if we're making money. If you are able to work with these three metrics, you will make a lot more structured and obviously result-orientated affiliate marketing campaigns. In that sense, you now have the foundation, because CPC, EPC, and ROI are the top metrics. You can go down to return on ad spend, cost per click per image, all those different hundreds, at the start maybe a dozen of different metrics you can apply to your campaigns, because data is always the foundation of decisions. And the more data you have, the more accurate decisions you can make. If you don't know these three metrics and you're making decisions, you're just guessing. It's just one big gamble. And if your business is one big gamble, you're never going to succeed. So hopefully you found this useful, the three metrics of an affiliate marketing campaign to focus on at first, CPC, EPC, ROI. Please let me know in the comments down below if you already knew this. If you did, of course I will make a follow-up video for you. If you want to see more videos, click over here and make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you don't miss any of the stuff we're putting out over there.